Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today I'm going to be making one of my favorite dishes, salt and pepper shrimp. For the ingredients, I have about 1 pound of shrimp that's already cleaned and deveined, some cornstarch, red and green sweet peppers. I have a mix of seasonings that I'll be using to season the shrimp, 2 cloves of garlic, some red chili flakes, and some salt and white pepper. I'm going to start by seasoning my shrimp, and this is just a mixture of seasoning salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I'm just going to give this a good mix just to make sure all the shrimp is nice and coated. Next, I'm going to dip the shrimp into the cornstarch, making sure that each piece is nicely coated. And then I will set it on a wire rack for about 5 minutes. That way the moisture from the shrimp will absorb some of the cornstarch. Now I'm going to be deep frying my shrimp. So in a large skillet, I've heated up my oil to about 350 degrees. Now I'll just be adding in 2 cloves of garlic, and I'll let this fry for about 30 seconds and then remove it from the oil. And this will add a bit of flavor to the oil. Now I'll be adding in my shrimp one by one. And the shrimp don't take long to cook, so I'll be frying these for about 4 to 5 minutes. Halfway through cooking, I'm just going to stir this around so that they don't stick. And once the shrimp is done frying, I'll remove them from the pan and set them on the wire rack. Now it's time to saute the vegetables, and I'm going to be using a bit of the oil we just used for frying, and I'm going to saute the sweet peppers for about a minute. Then I'll add in my chili flakes, and I'll saute this for about 30 seconds. Once that's done, I'm going to turn the heat off and add my shrimp back into the pan. And then I'll immediately add in the salt and white pepper and give that a good mix. And then it's all done. And this is my salt and pepper shrimp. It's very easy to make, very delicious. Like I said before, it's one of my favorite dishes that I love to make. Let me know how you make your salt and pepper shrimp in the comments. And if this is your first time making salt and pepper shrimp, let me know how you like this recipe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Mama's Easy Kitchen.